Hello friends, I came back with the fourth idiom. You know three idioms by now. So as the fourth one, you are going to learn what is a piece of cake. But not to eat a piece of cake. We can discuss this with some examples. So the first example, studying science is a piece of cake for some students. The second one, building a sandcastle at the beach is a piece of cake for the kids. Her job interview went well. Answering the questions was a piece of cake. So, friends, see all these three sentences include the idiom piece of cake. Let's see some other examples. Kitulgala water rafting is not a piece of cake. My brother said his first semester exam is a piece of cake. Learning English idioms is a piece of cake. Again, friends, these three sentences also include the idiom piece of cake. So, friends, it is used to describe something very easy to do. Let's see this again, looking at two previously discussed idioms. The first one, studying science is a piece of cake for some students. That means studying science is a very easy thing for some students. See the second one, Kitulgala water rafting is not a piece of cake. Kitulgala is a famous place in Sri Lanka for water rafting, and water rafting is a hard game. It is not an easy thing to do. So we can say Kitulgala water rafting is not a piece of cake. So that is all about today's idiom, a piece of cake. I think you can have an idea, a clear idea about this idiom. In the next idiom, in the next video, I'll teach you to bite a bullet. As usual, thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications and share with your friends. Have a good day.